Good news for the developers. Kimi K2.6 has been released, and this is advanced open source coding model which has been released by Moonshot AI. So you can see the benchmark. We will come to the benchmarks later. It is competing with the top models like GPT and Claude, but I tested it and the result was like this. So this was the result of this Kimi K2.6 model that I have tested. I just did this project. Look at a 3D. Come down and you can make it like dark mode and light mode both, and the now bar will disappear after you scroll to the down, and you can see the landing this home page and these buttons, and here you can see this and everything about our business, and here cards. Down you can see about us. Everything is animated and good. At the pricing section and 3D transform workflow in the footer. So this was just a basic example. I created this just one prompt. I used one prompt. Okay, just a single prompt. I built this project for me. The steady objects has been built because this model is very good in animation, like using 3D, 3GS, Framer Motion, and GSUP. We will move and explain it step by step. So first of all, look at this is came at 2.6, and here we will see the benchmark. So comparing it with other models, like here we compared it with GPT 5.4 and Oppo's 4.6 with Gemini 3.1 Pro. So look at it is most in the most area it is up from these models, but in some case it is competing with him. Like here you can see everyone, you can just move to the benchmark and you can check it is up from these top models in some areas. And the features of this scheme keep 2.6 model is that long horizon coding. It means it can run for 12 hours coding continuously, and motion rich front end. It means it can work with the animation very good, like GSAP, Framer Motion, 3.js, and other libraries. In animation it is good. Agent Swarm elevated 300 per. It means it can work parallelly, like you are hiring multiple developers at the same time. Proactive agents model OpenClaw. It is working with OpenClaw, Hermes agent, and others 24 per 7. Okay, you to run your tasks automatically. And Claw Group's research preview bring your own agent command in the front boards like this. This is just about this. You can move and chat with this using Kimi.com website. And for the API, you can move to the moonshot.ai. Here you can access the API. Also, the pricing is very low. Okay, let's move to this website, Kimi. This Moonshot website. Okay, Kimi is just a model by Moonshot team by them. So let's come here to the pricing. The pricing is very low, 0.95 per million token and 4 per output million token. You can use it in the open router, Olama, and others also. It is available there. So come here back. So here you can see the coding 66 and this is 65. Claude is 65, but Kimi2 is 66. And here also is WE bench. You can see it is up from them. Here visual agents you can see, and here general agents that you can see with the DeepSeek and others. Long horizon coding. It means the Kimi K2.5 was 57, but the Kimi K2.6 is 68. This is for long horizon. It means it can run for a long time. So they tested it. It continuously run for 12 hours and 14 iteration. So you can move through this blog and check all these capabilities of this model. Kimi design bench. These are some features of this agent. You can come here on Hugging Face. You can see that here, the weight, the parameters, and everything here in the comparison with other models also. So to test this, the chart model is available on kimi.com website, but the API you can access that through moonshot.ai. So here you can access the API. So let's check it. Okay, I have tested it, and the result what as I showed this landing page that I created. Just a single prompt created this landing page for me. So I will show you the prompt also. Let's move to the kimi.com website. So after coming to kimi.com website, just create your account. That means just you can log in using your mobile phone number. So after creating your account, say you can see like this is the sidebar, like slides, website, docs, deep research, sheets. You can do everything with this Kimi code, but we will take a new chart and we will use Kimi K2.6. This one thinking agent, which one we use. Like it is for quick response, and this is for deep thinking or complex question. For research, slide, websites, docs, like we will select this Kimi K2.6 agent, and we will just paste a prompt here to build a website. So let's paste that. This is a 3D website that we will build using this. You will see the response that will be amazing. Create highly interactive animated website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript features. Full screen sections with smooth scrolling, GSAP, timeline animation, scroll triggering effects like parallax, zoom, fade in, animated SVG graphics, stick navigation. You will see the response and you will be surprised. So this is on trial. We will select Kimi K2.6 thinking. So we will select this one and we will run it to build our website for us. Let's wait and it will create this website. Yeah, capacity is busy. Please wait or upgrade. So let's use instant. Okay, instead of Kimi Key.6, let me select instant and it will run and build this project for us. Look at it is agentic coding. So first of all, it will just search, then it will start implementing the code for us. Let's wait. I'll create a complete productivity design. So it has started coding and it will implement everything. Then I will show you the result, how it looks like. So it has completed a task. Now let's preview it. Here we can see the preview. Press the preview button and you will see, look at vision, and this is how you can see the full 3D animated website. But let's move it to HTML file and see there on the browser. Close this and copy this code. I will paste it in HTML file. I will paste that inside this. After pasting that, let's save it and let's ready. Give me this one. Okay, let's right click and reveal in File Explorer. Let's run this and we will see the result. Look at vision. So it's completing. This is 3D object that you can see and explore. So the second page here you can place your image, crafted with precision, everything animated. It's something amazing. You can see the result. It's fully animated in 3D website that you can. So it was all about this that we built using Kimi K2.6. So it was the result that we use, same prompt that we use. It is amazing. You can use and just come here to the open router. You can find it on open router and Ulama also. I will just show you. You can access it and the price is very low comparing to other top models like Claude and GPT. Let's move to the models and here also we can search for Kimi K2.6. Look at Kimi K2.6. It's just updated 13 hours ago. And here you can search for the model. Come here to the models and here search for Kimi K2.6. You will find that here Kimi K2.6, this one. Moonshot AI Kimi K2.6. So it was all about this. This video was it. Please like the video and also leave a comment if you have any question and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.